Hi everyone. So for today, we are going to continue our discussion about introducing ourselves in Bisaya. Yesterday, we talked about names. So as a review, if you want to ask someone their name, we will say, Unsa imong pangalan? And if someone asks you that, your response is, Ako si, and then your name. Today, we are going to talk about where we live. If you want to ask someone where they are from, you can ask, Taga Asaka. Taga Asaka is saying, where are you from? Taga Asaka. And if someone asks you that, and if you are just from the area, you can say, Taga Diri Rako. Taga Diri Rako, which is saying, I'm just from this area. But if you want to say that you are from a different place, but now living in this area, you can say, for example, I will say, Taga Davao Judko, which means saying, I'm actually from Davao, pero, but, diri nako gapuyo. But I live here now. Okay, let's do it again. So we say taga Davao ko, which means I'm from Davao, pero diri nako gapuyo. Okay, let's have a drill. I'm going to ask you where you're from, and you're going to tell me either taga diri rako, like it's saying I'm just from this area, or you can say taga, then your original place, a place where you're originally from, pero diri nako nagpuyo. Okay, are you ready? All right. Taga asa ka. Taga asa ka. Great job. Now I want you to ask me where I'm from by saying taga asa ka. So if I'm just from the area, I will say taga diri rako. But if I want to say I'm originally from Davao, but I'm living here now, I will say taga Davao jud ko, pero diri nako gapuyo. I will write all these scripts in the description box, and if you have questions, feel free to reach out. Hangtud sa sunod. Salamat!